Hello friends, welcome to my channel BS Physics. Now I am going to discuss current electricity part 5. So topic to be covered are resistance, factor affecting resistance, resistivity, unit and dimensional formula of resistance and resistivity, conductance and conductivity. So let us discuss resistance. Consider a cylindrical conductor of length L having area of cross section A is connected with a source voltage V. So resistance means to resist electric current or the opposition offered by the conductor to the flow of electric current or charge through it is called its resistance, or it is the opposition offered by the conductor to the passage of electric current is known as resistance. It is denoted by R. According to Ohm's law, V is equal to IR, R is equal to V by I, where V is equal to applied voltage, I is the current flowing through the conductor, and R is the resistance of the conductor. If R increases, then I decreases. If R decreases, then I increases. Therefore, resistance and current are inversely proportional to each other. So for a conductor means it conducts electric current. That means its resistance power is low. In SI system, the unit of resistance is ohm. As R is equal to V by I, the unit of resistance is ohm. So 1 ohm is equal to 1 volt divided by 1 ampere. Voltage in volt, current in ampere. So therefore 1 ohm is equal to 1 volt divided by 1 ampere. But in CGS system, it has two units, electrostatic unit and electromagnetic unit. In electrostatic unit, it is start ohm. So 1 start ohm is equal to 1 start volt divided by 1 start ampere. But in electromagnetic unit, it is ab ohm. So 1 ab ohm is equal to 1 ab volt divided by 1 ab ampere. Then a dimensional formula of R. But R is equal to V by I. V is equal to M1 L2 T minus 3 A minus 1 divided by I is equal to A1. So finally, dimensional formula of R is equal to M1 L2 T minus 3 A minus 2. Factor affecting resistance. Consider a cylindrical conductor of length A and its cross-sectional area capital A is connected with a source voltage V. So resistance of a conductor depends on its length. Resistance varies directly its length and resistance varies inversely its area of cross section. So combining these two, resistance is proportional to L by A. So after proportionality, R is equal to rho L by A, where rho is constant is known as resistivity of material of conductor, and it is also known as specific resistance. If length of the conductor is 1 meter and its cross sectional area is 1 meter square, then R is equal to rho. Resistance is numerically equal to resistivity. So resistivity or specific resistance of a conductor is the resistance offered by the conductor of unit length and unit cross sectional area. So unit of resistivity. As you know that R is equal to rho L by A, rho is equal to RA by L, rho is equal to RA by L. Unit of R is ohm, unit of A is meter square, and unit of L is meter. So meter cancel. So rho is equal to ohm into meter. In SI system, the unit of resistivity is ohm meter. So resistivity of a conductor only depends on the material of the conductor and not its dimension. When potential difference V is applied across the conductor of length L and cross-sectional area A, then all electrons start moving with velocity Vd. So Vd is equal to EV by ml into tau. As you know that current flowing through the conductor is given by I is equal to Na Vd. So putting the value of Vd, I is equal to Na, Vd is equal to EV by ml into tau. into E. So I is equal to NA square V by ml into tau. Then rearranging the term, V by I is equal to ml divided by NA square tau. So V by I is equal to R. From Ohm's law, V by I is equal to R. R is equal to ml divided by NA square tau. So R is equal to rho L by A. Therefore rho L by A is equal to ml divided by NA square tau. So A cancel, L cancel. Therefore rho is equal to m by n square tau. This is the expression for resistivity in terms of relaxation time. Then conductance. The resistance means to resist electric current and conductance means to allow or conduct current. That means resistance and conductance are inversely proportional to each other. Then conductivity. Conductivity is the reciprocal of resistivity. Mathematically, sigma is equal to 1 by rho. But rho is equal to m by n square tau. Then sigma is equal to 1 by m divided by n square tau. So therefore sigma is equal to n square tau divided by m. This is the expression for conductivity in terms of relaxation time. Then unit of conductivity. Unit of conductivity in SI, it is ohm inverse meter inverse. Ohm inverse means it is mho meter inverse. So unit of conductivity is ohm inverse meter inverse or mho meter inverse. Then dimensional formula of resistivity. Rho is equal to RA by L. R dimensional formula M1 L2 T minus 3 A minus 2. A is equal to L square. L is equal to L1. So after solving, dimensional formula for rho is equal to M1 L3 T minus 3 A minus 2. So in the next videos, I will discuss Ohm's law and its application.
Please like, share and subscribe my channel. If you want to watch more videos, press bell icon. Thank you.